Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome 15-pound weighted blanket that I have here. I got this as a gift to my husband and he has loved it. So he loves the texture of the material. It's very soft and just like quilted, so it's really nice. One cool thing about it too is that it has these hooks on it, so if you want to put a duvet over it, you can. This is machine washable, but if you wanted something to like protect it a little more, you have that option as well. This has really helped him with his anxiety and depression. It's helped him because it's just helped comfort him and helped him to like regulate his emotions and calm down when he's having like big emotions or big feelings or stress going on. He sleeps with it every single night, so he loves it. So I definitely recommend this. I don't think you'll be disappointed. It's nice too because this material helps keep him cool and not overheated. So that's awesome as well. So you gotta try it, and that is my point of view.